Hey guys, hope you all doing well. Today we are going to install the armrest to the Polo. So I have the armrest with me. Let's unbox it and let's install the armrest. I'll show you all the features of the armrest, and in the end we'll discuss about the price. So watch the video till end, guys. So guys, these are the accessories going to fit. This is the armrest. It's little complicated to fix, but let's see how the guy is going to fit. Okay guys, that's how the armrest looks now. It's not matching with my seat covers. I have a plan for the seat covers as well. I'm going to I'm going to change the seat covers as well, which will be matching with this armrest. So I'll show you the armrest first, how it will open. So guys, you will get two buttons here. One is here, another one is here. This is the first button, this is the second button. If you click the first button, then you can open this. Here you will get some storage. You can keep your phones and other things, keys as well. So if you click and press, then it will get locked. If you want to if you want to take this up, you can do like this, so it will get lock. It will get lock. You have to press this button again, the second button, then you can down the armrest. So yes, it's looking really good. It's also very comfortable. The cushion is really good. Okay, so when you are installing this armrest, you have to sacrifice a little bit for this handbrake. And yeah, you can add, but it's not like it will be not like before. A little, the hand will touch the armrest if you are taking this handbrake. So yeah, you have to sacrifice little if you want a little comfort. Yeah, it's looking amazing, guys. I really like the armrest. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the price. The armrest costed me 3,400 rupees. I bought the armrest from JC Road. It's not the OEM. It looks like a OEM. It's completely look like a OEM. If you are looking for the OEM armrest, then it will be cost you around 7 to 8,000 rupees. I will add the link in the description. If you are looking for OEM armrest, then you can click the link and you can purchase it. If you are looking the OEM type armrest which I have installed now, then I will add the contact number of the JC Road person number, so you can text him on WhatsApp. You can order it. So yeah guys, that's it in today's episode. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any kind of doubts, you can comment me, or you can reach me through the Instagram. So yeah, meet you all in my next episode. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Meet you all in my next episode. Till that, take care.